Hi kids, my name's Nicole and this is Let's Make Art, and you were here with us to paint a special project. And I have a lovely guest here. You want to introduce yourself?
Lois.
And how old are you?
5.
5? And what's your favorite color? Colors?
All the colors.
All the colors. Yeah. And then you want to introduce who's back there?
This is Ruby, this is Peter and back there.
And they just want to come say hi so you know we're all here painting together. Oh, get out of the way so we can say hi.
Here, you can sit up. You can sit up. Hi.
This is Keenan and Ruby. Ruby was on the watercolor bookmarks one with us. So you'll see her on that. Thank you. Okay, now we're ready to get started. So we're making this really fun ghost project. Because what's coming up?
We're showing the ghost.
Yeah. And
It was really, I thought we were going to do it like that.
yeah, we're gonna do it like this. So, first step, can we show them first step? Grab your magic tool, which is a white crayon. Ooh, got magic powers. Okay, so grab out your white crayon, and you are going to grab a piece of paper. We taped ours down, so you can do that step as well. And we're going to do that. Okay.
I'm going to draw another ghost right.
Ooh, you want to do some over there too? Okay, you can definitely do that. Okay, first, before we get started, have you done our oath before? Our motto, our motto. Okay, so can you raise your right hand and then repeat after me? I am brave.
I am brave.
I am kind.
I am kind.
I am creative.
And I am creative.
Let's do this.
Let's do
And then we're gonna high
this.
five. You wanna pound it? Boom!
Yes.
Okay, so now everyone with us is gonna be watching and we're gonna paint all together. So now, can we draw our ghosts on the paper? Draw it on this one so then everyone can see because they can't see that one. So we're gonna draw our ghost. So using your white crayon, what Lois and I are gonna do is you're gonna draw these blobs.
Blob.
Blobs. We're calling them blobs.
Blob.
You can draw them any size. Your ghosts can be small, they can be really big. So you're just gonna take this
Yay.
and you're just gonna draw blobs. So as you see us doing it,
Blob.
I know you can't see anything, but that is part of the magic trick because afterwards we're gonna do that. Ooh, I can see yours. So if you kind of come at the side of it,
I'm gonna put a little
you can see it. Oh, and some eyelashes?
there.
Yeah. Good job. You wanna draw another one? So we're gonna fill up our whole page. So if you can see,
Any size.
yes, any size. If this helps to see, you can do it with pencil first if that helps you. But that way you can see, you can make them any size. Good job. I can see you made a second one.
Yeah.
So we're just using our magic crayon.
Magic.
Magic crayon. Because it's white and you can't see it. So we're going to draw these different shapes. Again, you're just drawing blobs. Good
It's a little
job.
triangle.
Yeah. Good
It
job.
looks funny and tiny.
It's a tiny one. I like it though. Are you going to name them? Do your ghosts have names?
This one's Triangle Junior. And this
I like Triangle Junior.
And this is Big Junior.
Oh, I like
Ooh.
Big Junior too.
Triangle Junior.
Nice.
Ooh.
I'm gonna name one of mine Casper.
We saw a movie of that. He's Casper.
What?
He's a ghost.
I knew it.
Have you seen that?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so another thing is you'll see, as I also wrote, do you know what ghosts say?
Woo!
Ooh, that was so good. So you can write that. So if you want to, do you want to do that or do you want to leave yours blank?
I just want mine so I'm just going to paint it with my paint.
Okay, before we paint, I'm going to write mine. So I'm just going to write boo, a few O's, which means like 10.
Like that.
Yeah, like that. So then, did you fill up your page? Yeah, good job. Okay, now Lois and I are ready to paint. So once you do that, grab out your watercolors. And then your brush, and then some water. The 3 colors that we're going to be using, we're going to do some magic tricks.
My water is blue.
I know, that is blue already because we were painting earlier. Okay, I'm going to show you really quick what colors we're going to be using.
I'm going to have like this.
That one, magenta, yellow, and blue. So then Lois is going to show us how you can paint on top of your canvas, and we're going to watch the magic trick happen. So, are you thinking of painting all different colors? What are you thinking? Yeah? Okay, go for it. Ooh.
Put that big blob. Kind of like a blob.
So, this is your painting. So you can make this any color. If you want to make it blue, if you want to make it pink, this is your ghost scene. What I want to show you is that if you want to make black, you can mix the 3 colors that you have to make a new color. So,
Okay, let's get a
do it.
color.
Go for it.
Let's get this color into this one, and
Yeah. What did that make?
there's like all the colors.
All the colors.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
You want to mix that all together?
Yeah.
Yeah. So go like this. Oh, switch them all. Yeah. Oh.
And switch this to that.
You're making so many colors. So this is how you make magic. You just see what colors come out from mixing them all. So Lois is mixing all these different colors, and then you can paint with it.
Okay.
So by mixing those colors, you kind of made a bluish black.
I'm going to put all the colors together.
Yes.
There we go.
So it doesn't all have to be in one color. And as you're doing it,
There we go.
Oh.
good job.
Look, it makes cake.
Yeah.
I put all the colors together.
All the colors. Mix them all up.
And okay, that doesn't matter. Okay.
So as you're doing it, you're going to paint your drawing. Now, can you see a little bit how the white magic tool is already
Yes.
showing? So as you're doing it, your ghosts are going to start to appear.
What?
So if you paint over, keep going. Can you paint the whole thing?
Yes.
Yes.
I can.
I know you can. So we're just going to keep mixing some different colors. This is your time to have fun.
Pretty. Let's put that and that.
Good job. You also have,
Ooh,
if you do want to use straight black, you also have black.
Oh, oops, I got it
Oh.
on that. Ah!
Oh, that's okay. How did that happen?
I don't know.
I gotcha. I gotcha. It's okay. Keep going.
Okay.
You're an artist.
Blue.
Yeah, you're an artist.
You're an artist.
That's what happens when you get paint.
It's okay. We'll clean it after.
It doesn't matter. I don't know how that happened.
Okay, let's keep painting. That's part of the magic. We're just gonna keep painting. So if you want to have black, oh,
Whoa.
you can use black. You can maybe mix in some blue.
Oh, it's mixed that into that.
Ooh.
Ah! Ah! That's you.
We're just gonna keep painting. Keenan, can you name mine as we go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. Maybe they got some stories.
Okay.
They kind of look like potatoes, so I'm just gonna think about. You
There's a
know,
lot of colors.
this one. Maybe this one's name is Tate.
This
On the
one?
left, yeah, that's Tate.
Okay.
His nickname is Tater, but he's a ghost, so he goes by. Ooh, Tater.
Okay, let's get this. Oh, make it look good. Whoa!
Uh,
The ghost is.
Yeah, is that what you were saying? I see part of your ghost.
Oh.
Keep going, keep going. I want to see more.
Okay, let's get that out of it. I think it's going to make it way darker.
Yeah. Ooh, I see a little bit more of it.
Okay.
Okay, let's keep going.
Yeah, I'm just going to have a little bit of this and mix that together.
You are such an artist.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I forgot.
Ooh, more magic tricks? So Lois is teaching you how if you add water droplets, so if you swish your brush around and you just kind of dip in, it'll make some water spots. So you can do more magic tricks. Good idea.
Spooky spots.
Ooh, yes. Okay, Tater.
Tater, Alfred, Roger in the corner top right.
This is how you do it. You can like this or this.
Yep.
Whatever.
Can you paint a little bit over here? I want to see the rest of your ghost. Where is it? Do you know where your ghost is? Can you paint over it?
There's some right here.
Oh, can we paint it? Give it some life?
It's still blue.
We'll
This
get it
one's
up after. It's not.
Okay.
We'll get it up after.
Yeah. Get that and a little one. There's like more touches.
We got George there on the left.
Yay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
More touches.
This one.
There.
We're gonna call him by his nickname, which is Cue Ball. That's his nickname, Cue Ball, because he shaves his head.
Oh.
Yeah, and he likes to play pool.
Pool?
Pool, billiards. You may be more familiar with the name billiards.
What?
What?
Put a little black in there.
What are you gonna be for Halloween, Lois?
Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell.
I'm gonna buy. I actually want to be a Well, I actually want to be a baker.
A baker? Ooh,
Oh.
that's cool.
I actually want to.
Ruby said she's gonna be a ballerina.
Because that's going to be when you grow up. Yeah, you are a ballerina.
Tinkerbell's like a ballerina, kind of, right? Or is she just a?
She's a fairy.
She's a fairy.
Or maybe I made a mermaid. I'm gonna do that super fast.
Wow.
You're doing so good. I see part of this ghost too. Where are your other ones?
I don't know.
I don't know. We need to see them. You can keep going.
Wow.
So gentle.
We don't really see our ghosts because their colors are in the way.
I think that's what brings them out. Actually, I think the color helps them to see.
Let's get them all.
Yeah. Try to cover the crayons that you put the magic tool with the
there you
paint.
All of them are stuck.
Keep going. Keep going.
Your page looks great.
Your page looks so good.
I'm gonna draw a face.
Okay, keep going.
Oh,
Oh,
yes.
maybe you draw a ghost with your paintbrush. Do you want to try that?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do that.
That's good. Oh, that's okay.
Woo! Eyes.
Oh, it's making marmalade. Okay, that's
You're doing so good. Oh, the mouth. Yes.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's spooky too.
Does your ghost have a name?
That, like, her name is Lila Spooky.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Wow.
It's for
Yeah, it is.
Halloween. Oh, that's okay. Put a little here. Ah,
You're doing so good. Keep going.
I know. I'm just taking a little bit. That's all I have to do. Because Mom said I have to do that.
What did you?
I have to talk a little bit.
Oh.
You can talk as much as you want,
Yeah,
Lois.
we want you to talk. We just want to hang out and paint with you.
Ah!
Whoa.
The eyes. It's okay. I can do the rest.
Yes.
The black and make it into a square.
We're gonna say bye to the camera.
Bye, camera.
Bye. Thanks everyone for painting with us. If you need to keep finishing, Lois is gonna keep painting. But we hope you had so much fun. Happy Halloween, everyone, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
I can't wait until Halloween and winter.
Yeah. Good job. Thanks for being on it with me.